Data is very important, and migrant, because our regions is the most regions who host, the most population of migrants because of the migration and forced displacement. When you see our population and the rate of displacement and refugees is very high. So the member state and the Igad Secretariat are engaged, to give a sustainable solution, to the refugees and the forced displacement, to, transform the threats and opportunities, and we are already in advanced in this area because we already integrated in our population. We give the services like education, health, and other services to integrate. This is to change the dynamic in the regions in the good way. Igad is a regional body, and this regional is what's the role of Igad? The role of Igad is the harmonization, of the rule, is the transposition of the rule, to have, the same standards to deal, the challenge that we are facing. We should have the same capacity. If there is different gaps, the work cannot be, fully covered. So
this particular data that we compile as a technical working group on migration and displacement is important because we are signatories to SDGs, and according to SDGs, we are not supposed to leave anyone behind. And any human is not just a statistic. There are things that are related to a human being. There are economic things, there are political things, there are general social issues that affect a human being. And therefore, when you provide statistics about that movement, that particular person, you help the government and also the region to be able to plan for resources for them, and not just education, not just health, but all aspects, including governance and security. It means that when we receive remittances, it's an injection of money that is coming from other countries because of people that migrated to other areas. In the same manner, when we lose, for example, we reduce population when we have an out-migration, when we have migrants leaving our country, we reduce our population. Again, we increase our population when we have migrants coming into our country. And all those affect the resources, the planning, and all aspects of human life in our economy and even within the region. We have administrative data on in-migrants and also out-migrants. At the same time, when we carry out a census or we carry out a survey, we are also able to capture information about migrants going out and in-migrants coming in. Of course, what the requirement is that whenever you land in our country, you are supposed to register for you to be able even to be accounted for, and also for the resources to be planned for you. So normally, they get IDs to be able to be in Kenya, and there is a department, a government department that deals with that. It is called DRS. I think it is called Department of Refugee Services. So whenever they get in, so that they are able to be recognized legally in Kenya, they are normally registered. So whether they are coming through Panya routes or whether they are coming through the official routes, if they have to receive services, they have to be registered.